Did you know there's a large part of Syria that lies on the Mediterranean Sea? Well, now you do, and it's called Tartus. There's a lot to see and do here, and we only have 24 hours. Yalla! In this video, I'm going to show you the safest city in Syria. Then we'll explore 2 epic castles, have fun with locals in Oldtown. Yeah! Enjoy the freshest lunch ever. We'll take this one! And end with a memorable sunset with new friends. Me. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
You just asked me a question. What was that question?
You have some money, so you can go London, Las Vegas. Why Syria?
The people are so great. The food is amazing.
Thank you.
The history dates back 11,000 years. And I want to show the world that Syria is a great place.
You're welcome here.
Shukran. Along with being the safest city in Syria, Tartus also has a beautiful island off the coast. No way. Well, we have 2 choices. We have the people ship, where we'll have to wait 45 minutes, or the vegetable ship. If we go on the vegetable ship, do we get to eat some vegetables for free?
No.
And away we go. Onions, tomato. Oh my God, look at the size of these lemons. Welcome to Arwad?
Arwad.
Shukran. Bye. Is it safe to say I was the only tourist on that boat? I've just learned that this island is 5,000 years old and dates back to the Phoenician times. There are actually ruins from that time, but unfortunately they're underwater. But what we do have is this awesome 1,000-year-old castle. Should we go inside? Of course we should. Built by the Crusaders around the 12th century, over the years Arwat Citadel also housed the Mamelukes, Ottomans, and even the French. This is one impressive fortress, but nothing compared to cracked chevaliers on the mainland. I'll show you this amazing place later in the video, but for now, let's return to the island. What are we looking at right here?
A prison from the period of Ottoman and the French period.
So the Ottomans ruled Syria for 800 years. And then the Arabs took over, and it only lasted for 2 years until the French came. When the French came, they took all the important Syrian people, all the politicians and the people who ran the government, and basically put them into this prison. Looks like solitary confinement here. I don't want to go any further. You won't be able to see anything anyways. Hamza. Bread on the head. Bread, head. Bread, head. Bread on the head.
Bread on the head.
Yeah!
Bread on the head.
Bread on the head.
She doesn't speak English.
But she's got bread on her head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head. I've got a lot of crazy kids behind me.
Where are you from?
America.
America. Welcome, welcome.
Shukran.
Thank you.
Oh, I just hit you in the face. Oh! Why did you hit him?
ضربني.
You can take that from this guy? Hit him back.
ما ضربتناه؟ لا شغله.
Oh, tough guy, huh?
Yes.
Salam alaikum. Can you say bread on the head?
Bread on the head. Bread on the head.
Bread on the head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head.
زعتر زوبع تماق تمتم كزبرة كمون.
Speaker. No bread on the head. I can't believe I got these kids to shut up. Call to prayer is over. Are you ready? Bread on the head! Bread on the head!
Bread on the head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head. Bread on the head.
So I'm here with the original bread on the head girl.
Bread on the head.
This is the one who started the craze right here. Majnoon, huh?
Nice one.
All right, let's get some lunch. Bye. Salam alaikum.
Salam.
Fresh fish from today?
today.
This is tuna.
Tuna.
Okay, I'll take it. Keep it going. Ready? So like one tuna steak. Chili, yes. The blood of my lunch. Shukran. Yama. Tabbouleh. You hungry? Yeah? Garlic chili fish? How could that be bad? Brown rice, tabbouleh. If you come to Tartus, you must have fish. Yum. I'm sorry guys, I lied. When the tide is low, you can actually see some of the ruins of the Phoenician times. When it's high tide, this entire area is covered in water. I'm standing in the middle of 5,000-year-old ruins on the Mediterranean Sea, and there's not a tourist around. If you look closely, you can see behind me the new city, right across from one of the largest gates to the old city. Syria, so much history in this country. This island is supported mainly by fishing. Behind me, we could see some fishermen in action. Salam alaikum. How are they biting? Good, Iwa? Violent game here. One more thing. On my channel, I show the good people of countries the media shows only negatively. And with your support, I will continue to places like Yemen and Algeria. So please subscribe to help me spread positivity. Leaving Arwad Island, we return to land for a short rest before driving an hour into the countryside to visit that awesome castle I told you about. Crac de Chevaliers is one of the most important preserved medieval castles in the world. The walled fortress was first inhabited in the 11th century. At its heyday, it housed 2,000 crusaders. Now entering the sauna. Whoa. This is where they took showers or baths?
Yes, showers.
And the plants?
Yes.
I like what they did with the plants. It's a very nice touch.
Thank you.
We're not the only ones here. So many flies. You eat them in Australia, don't you? Yes. After touring the inside of the castle, we then ventured outside to walk the walls. Such a crazy cool experience. Now we're on a spiral staircase going even higher. My friends, it gets no higher than this. We're all the way up. Super gorgeous, green, lush valley. That was a beautiful crack.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Next, we visited Amrit, the 5,000-year-old sister city to Arwad Island. Imagine this place full of spring water and a roof on top of these columns. People would come here to pray at the temple, but to also bathe in the spring water that promised to keep them eternally young.
This stadium was built before the Colosseum in Rome or in Greece. People here think that here the Olympic Games started and then it's moved to Greece and Rome.
You can see that this place is completely overgrown with weeds and very sharp, prickly objects. This is the tunnel where the gladiators would come out and enter into the Grand Olympic Stadium behind me. We've got a volunteer for us. Let's see how he fares. Our last stop in Amrit was the necropolis. Here we found massive 7,000-year-old burial tombs.
Right there you can see a lion.
A lion?
Yes.
Oh yeah! This place was only just discovered in 1970 and the Olympic Stadium in 2010. So you can imagine how much of this ancient city is yet to be discovered. Back in Tartus, I took a walk to the beautifully restored entrance to Tartus Oldtown. The entrance to Oldtown is literally right across the street from the Mediterranean Sea. Cool, but once inside, I learned that Unlike in other places in Syria, it's in such disrepair that people actually aren't supposed to be living inside. But they are, and they seem very happy. Hello.
Hello.
Kismak.
The same as us.
Philip. Some new subscribers. Here you go. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Not entirely sure what this is, but it feels like it might be an old church. Any idea what this is?
They told me there is an old church here.
I love the fact that it's got plants growing out of it. It makes it feel really, really old. How are you? I'm great. Are you just fine? Fine is boring.
Fine is boring.
Great is great.
Great is great.
Fine is boring.
Fine is more.
Great is great.
Great is great.
You got it. That's the secret to life.
Jiddu.
Jibdu Labadi. What does that mean?
This house is for his great grandfather.
Jibdu Labadi?
Yes.
Ah, why didn't you just say that? Do you know Beaker?
Hello, Beacon.
Hello, Beaker. Me, 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 me.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. No
But-
Arabic?
La Beaker does not know Arabic. Bye bye, Beaker.
Bye, Beacon.
I'm not exactly sure where I'm going, but the crowd around me keeps getting bigger. Hi, 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 hi. Tartus? Tartus! What is going on here? Oh, okay. High five. She's not happy. Why are you forcing her to do this? What is your name? Shizmak. Your mother smiles so nicely and you can't smile? You're smiling for the two of them. Shukran. Bye bye. Bye. All right, that was a short but totally fun walk through Oldtown. But now the sun is about to set. So, when in Tartus, go to the sea.
What?
So far, you'll have a hard time getting me to tell you that this is one of the prettiest coastlines I've ever seen. Maybe it'll get a little bit more pretty as we walk towards the promenade. You're searching for crabs? You have one crab. You have 3 crabs. Winner, loser. This is really gross. Why are you sitting in the trash?
Just chilling.
You're not searching for crabs?
No.
Doesn't it bother you that it's so dirty?
No, it's alright.
Is it better down there?
I don't know.
You're just staying here because you're away from everyone?
Yeah.
You don't want to be bothered by like someone like me with a camera in your face?
Yeah, it's okay.
Shizmak.
Masjid.
I'm Philip. You are?
Mohammed.
You live here
Yeah.
all your life?
Yeah.
This, I hear, was the safest place during the war.
Yes.
No problems here?
You have a channel on YouTube?
I do. Phil's Guide to the World.
Okay.
Will you please subscribe to my channel?
Okay.
Shukran. Sadiq.
Bye.
Sadiq.
Yes.
Habibi. See you. Have a nice weekend.
You too.
So as we walk further away from that nasty area, the beach is very rocky. That's very common for the Mediterranean, but there's less trash. You can see behind me they've set up tables for people to have some tea, maybe some shisha, maybe some cigarettes, because everyone smokes in Syria. A great place to enjoy the sunset and watch your kids who might be swimming right here. Shizmak? Muhammad. Nice to meet you. Look who's here. You want to see Beaker? I remember you. You're reunited. Jamil, sunset. Beautiful night here in Tartus. His name is Beaker. Me, me, me. Me, me, me. Tartus, you were saying it was the safest place during the war?
Yes, it's safest place in Syria. We didn't feel anything.
You didn't feel anything?
No, and most of people from around cities coming to see Tartus during the war.
So the
It's safe.
population of Tartus has grown?
Yes, about 2 million, I think.
2 million?
Yes, it's now very big now.
Wow. Now I have 2 subscribers. Everybody wants a selfie here. Shizmak.
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Philip.
Captain Ahmed. I am captain.
Captain.
Captain, yes.
Captain, my captain.
welcome.
He just
Okay.
wants his selfie.
Okay.
Okay. Look what you have here. Shukran. That's really good exercise. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you. Fatima. Batoon. Oh, it's okay? Okay, nice to meet you too. Good luck. Oh, and bye-bye, Beaker. Bye-bye, Beaker.